Now you can choose any input source audio as background, external continuous audio source. New options added in background audio device list to set any input audio as background audio device. Previously only connected device, mic, line in and audio sequencer option are available. If set input 1, then continuous audio from input 1 is mix in output. Same way any input source from input 1 to input 4 and media 1 to media 3 can be set. Why need background or external audio? This software use audio follow video. Means if input is shown in output, only that input audio comes in output. So if you want audio from device or source which will continue mix with output, always then set that source and device in background audio. Now we set input 1 as background audio. Now if you change source on mixer, still you get audio from input 1, always mix with output. Many time background audio devices like mic is single channel mono audio. To make it dual channel, you can set check MS mono to stereo button. If you click and select this button, only background audio will be output. If you turn it off, the background audio and the audio of the input shown in the output will be mixed. Right now the line in audio is in the background and the button is off. Due to this, the current input and line in audio will be mixed and will come to the output. If we want only background audio in the output, then we will have to manually mute the audio of all the inputs. To avoid having to do this, this button will turn on or off the audio of the inputs with one click. Hope you like these new features. Thank you.